Obviously I've already used mine, so you won't see the outer packaging, but basically these will be packed in boxes, each individually wrapped. So you'll get a charging cable, you will get the connector to the battery pack, and this itself is the battery pack. So what you would need to do is turn it around and put this part on just by sliding it down into place. That connects it to the battery pack, and then you'll be able to charge it. And basically all you'd need to do is plug this part into here, and then that's ready to plug into your mains with the socket here. So for you to be able to slide the battery on, you would need to disconnect it from the charging part of it. So you basically need to slide this up and off. So that's the mains detached, and then you would use the battery pack and insert it into here. Basically you slide it down on the top, and then it should click into place. You heard that click, and it's ready to go. Hope this video has been very helpful to you, and if it is, please subscribe to